I'm gonna show you how to make a juicy smash burger. Hey Salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a classic smash burger. This fast food style burger is gonna be packed with flavor. I'm gonna serve this smash burger with garlic fries. Watch till the end of the video for a lesser prize. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, let's start by prepping our patties for smash burgers. I'm using here a kilogram or roughly 2 pounds of ground beef that has at least 20% fat and 80% is lean. That's the perfect ratio for a juicy smash burger. Now, what is the best cut of meat for a smash burger or any burger? If you want to keep the things nice and simple, just use the chuck meat. You can also mix in some of the short rib if you're looking for a rich, meaty flavor. If you're looking for more premium quality smash burgers, maybe for your restaurant or diner, then you can experiment with dry aged beef like ribeye, sirloin, wagyu, and so on. Give this a really good mix so everything comes together. Now you want to divide the beef into 100 grams or 0.2 pounds of meatballs. We will be using 2 patties per smash burger, so this will give you around 5 smash burgers. If you go a restaurant or a diner, then definitely use scales. Helps you to stay consistent and gives you better burgers every time. Don't miss these important steps to make the ultimate fast food style burger. Now set these aside while we prep our other ingredients. Now in my opinion, a good classic smash burger definitely requires some seasoning. So for the spices, I'm using here black pepper. You want to use coarsely ground black pepper so it's not burnt when we cook it. With the salt, garlic and onion granules. A little bit of the cayenne pepper adds a bit more flavor to it. You can also mix in some of the herbs if you like. Using here brown onions, they will add a lot of flavor to our juicy smash burgers. Use a sharp blade to thinly slice these onions so they will just melt away along with our burger. I also like to use a bit of the jalapenos. You don't have to use them, totally optional. And finally, you want to slice up the lettuce. Don't cut it too small. You could also add a bit of the tomatoes, but personally I don't like it. In my opinion, it really disrupts the overall flavor of a smash burger. Now, fast food style burger definitely requires a good sauce. Here with a fresh mayonnaise. For a bit of sweetness, I'm using a ketchup. You could also use burger relish instead. To add a bit more flavor and kick, I'm using a hot sauce. Pickle juice from gherkins. A little bit of the fresh garlic paste. Make sure to remove the inner sprout. And finally, season with some of the freshly cracked black pepper and salt. Use a bit of the chipotle paste or smoked paprika if you like a bit of smokiness to it. Now give this a really good mix. This sauce is perfect for any smash burger or any diner style burger. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. That's perfect. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy this sauce with the burger. Our smash burgers are gonna be ready in no time, so it's best to toast your buns first. It's best to use cast iron griddle. That will work best for our smash burgers. Another great option is a steel pan. Turn up the heat around medium. When nice and hot and with a knob of butter. Trust me, this diner style burger is gonna be so good. With your burger buns, just toast them for a few seconds and then remove. Something like that you're looking for. The heat is still on medium. When nice and hot, add a good touch of oil in there. When nice and hot in with your meatballs. You can see the pan is nice and sizzling. That's exactly what we're looking for. Some of these onions on the top. Add your baking paper and smash. Make sure it's nice and thin. That's exactly what we're looking for. Again with this one. You want to let this cook for around 2 minutes or until you have a beautiful crust at the bottom. The best way to tell that is you will notice on the sides it will start to become nice and gray. Make sure to keep an eye on it. Nothing should burn. Beautiful caramelized onions. Look at that. Season it generously. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to scrape this off slowly and flip. Look at that. We got a beautiful sear. That's exactly what we're looking for. Same with this one. Amazing. Any burnt onions, just remove them. And with your cheese slices. Now let this cook for another minute and then we're going to turn the heat to low. A little bit more seasoning if you like. Now you want to turn the heat to low. Grab one of the patties and place it on the top. Just gonna place it here in the middle. All those beautiful onions goes on the top. Be careful, it can be hot. So like I said, the heat is on low now. Another slice of cheese on the top. Let it to water just around. A we're gonna cover this. Leave it cover for a few seconds until the cheese is melted. Nothing would beat this classic smash burger. Now let's check this. Carefully pick that up. Look at that. Cheese is beautifully melted. Now just turn off the heat and let's plate this up. Or let's plate this up with your toasty bun. Add in some of our sauce. And with your crunchy lettuce. Our cheesy smash patties. Throw in some of the pickles if you like. And finally top off the bun with more sauce. That looks so delicious. One of the best smash burger that you guys gonna try. Let's do a halal chef special. One of the best smash burgers that you guys gonna try. Halal chef special, and with your burger bun, some of our sauce. Spread that. Beautiful. Some of the lettuce. Fresh jalapenos. Our double patty goes on the top. A layer of the raw onions. Load it up with some of the mac and cheese. And finally top off the bun with more sauce. That looks so delicious. Can't wait to try this. Like I said before, this is one of the best smash burger that you guys gotta try. For our garlic fries, turn up the heat around medium with a good touch of oil. And a small knob of butter. And some of these onions with your chopped garlic and your jalapenos. You want to lightly saute these just until the garlic is nice and fragrant and onions have softened up as well. And I'll throw in some of the parsley and just turn off the heat. Grab yourself a bowl in with your crispy fries. Have a mixture of garlic, onions, jalapenos and parsley. A bit of this Cajun seasoning and a good pinch of salt in there. Now give this a really good mix. Oh, this smells so good. Have a little taste. Have a mouth-watering garlic fries. Done. Now let's plate this up, serving it with our garlic fries and some of the leftover sauce. Our crispy, juicy smash burger. Done. One of the best smash burger ever. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. Let's start with our garlic fries. Bismillah. Wow. These are packed with flavor. Once you take a bite, you can't stop eating it. Alright, now on to our smash burger. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Wow. That is packed with so much flavor. It's cheesy, perfectly cooked patty along with those onions, lettuce. Oh my god. Look at that. Even those jalapenos had a really nice flavor to it. A little bit of the sweetness from the sausage is so good. What an amazing smash burger this is. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Everything is so perfect. The seasoning, the beef is a bit juicy. You guys gonna really enjoy this. It's way better than a diner style burger. It is so good. Those caramelized onions really add a lot of flavor to this. This is perfection. Trust me, the smash burger was out of this world. It was so good. You guys are gonna really enjoy this with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 10,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.